moment you start underestimating the power of marketing, the power of getting sales, the power of getting more clients from online space is the moment you start losing customer, is the moment you start decreasing your sales, the moment you start showing your visibility, decreasing your visibility from your clients. All right. So, guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of seeing my content, if this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, this is the voice of 𝐲𝐤 Logistics, and the person you are seeing right here, the person you are listening to his voice is Samuel Joshua. All right. So, if you are a first time subscriber, thank you guys for staying connected. Thank you guys for waiting behind, and if you are a return subscribers, thank you guys for staying tuned and coming back to watch my other videos. Okay, so what you want to do, if you're a new timer, what you want to do to join my community is to subscribe, like the video, and also share it to whoever you think this video will be helpful to. So, okay, in a very quick one, we are going to be talking about how you can start promoting your business, how you can start making sales from this online space, how you can start showing what you have to your audience, to people that who are in need of these things. Okay, now once you are done with importation business, once you've already shipped your item to your country, now to sell it out, to look for customers now become an issue, to look for sales now become an issue for you. And what you do is just to post to your WhatsApp status, upload this same thing every day on your WhatsApp status. Listen to me, e-commerce have grown to the next level that you will have to be posting what you have on your WhatsApp status every day looking for buyer. Let me tell you the raw facts. They can't buy your item. Even though you see buyer today, the same buyer can't keep buying different things from you every day. You need to look for another way around. Okay, so without further more ado, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the exact same method that has worked for other businessmen and me as a person. All right, how I've been able to skip through all the things that I need online, how I've been able to promote my items, and how I've been able to sell my items to those people who are in need of this item. Okay, now at the virtue of you looking for clients, there are other ways, there are different methods you can use to promote your businesses online. Okay, now talking of running adverts, you might have run adverts, you might have run Facebook adverts, and you are not seeing conversion. People are not messaging you. You are just burning your money. You are just wasting your money in putting money on adverts and the likes. Yes, this might due to the fact that maybe you don't do a detailed targeting. You don't know who to target. You don't know the right cities to target. You don't know how to do specific location targeting. You don't know how to do all these things. I have a special course on that, but that's not where I'm going. If you need a course, you can do what to reach me out. Now, Facebook now brought this latest what's it called? Latest updates, maybe 3 years ago now, that instead of running advert for these people, we can as well just provide a community where we can connect buyer to seller, both used item and new items. Yes, it is very much possible. So they come up with an idea of creating a Facebook marketplace. And this Facebook marketplace have to do with businesses, offline businesses and online businesses, connecting buyer to sellers. So here you want to come to this space to just make your own money out of it. Different departments, I've seen different departments on this Facebook marketplace here. I've seen real estate agents. I've seen those who are having their handwork like carpenter. You can see what we have there. This is a center table. This is what someone have to sell. Can you imagine someone promoting this kind of advert online? So this simply means you can also do well by promoting your advert online using this Facebook Marketplace for free of charge. This does not require you to pay anything. All you want to do is your brain work, which I'm going to be showing you the exact same method that I've been using for over years now. Because I get to realize that some people don't have much to run advert, but even as at that, you can still promote your items online. All right. So now, if I'm to come to here, let me just search for something now. I want to search for, let me search for real estate agents. Let me search for a room. I want to search, I just want to do something for Restart. Now let me search for a room. I want you to know that okay, I want you to know that this thing is getting to the other side. All right. Now, what is a room self-contained have to do with businesses? This simply means that these people know the advertisement. These people know that okay, if they are to do this thing, they are going to make profit from it. Now, see real estate agent people even promoting their business. They've left radios, they've left TV station. They now come here to promote their valuable items. You can see it. These are real estate. If real estate people is to come online to showcase what they have, I don't have any reason for you not to showcase what you have. Even though it's a new item, even though it's used item, this Facebook community have a space for you guys. All right. Now let me quickly take you through how these things work. So you'll be able to promote your item and use this same method that I'm showing you now. Now you can see that these are simply used item. You can see these are household equipment and these are mobile phone and these are ring lights. You can see that these things is both new item and used one. So Facebook Marketplace is a place you can sell your item, showcase them to for buyers to see, for them to reach out to you. It's not possible you list your item here within 7 days a week and you won't make sales. Yes, I can tell you 100%. Now let me show you the proof. Let me click on this guy here. This guy will takes me to my profile. All right. Now my profile will come to, let me just click on my listing here. These are things that I've listed on this Facebook Marketplace that I have for sale. Now this talking of this first one, this is an HP charger here. The second one is an HP battery, and the third one is HP for scrap. And talking of the last one here, which is camcorder, this is digital camera, right? Let me click on this digital camera for you to see something. I want to show you something that to for you to see the power of advertisement, for you to see how this owner of this Facebook has been doing a very great thing. Okay, now talking of this thing here, this same item that I posted here, can you imagine that they have reached me out for over several times? People have reached me out. Now let me just scroll down to show you. Now these are chats. These are people that have chatted me up since I published this item. Now let me click on see all. I want to show you a whole number of people that have contacted me on this same item. Now this is chat. Let me just scroll down. Let me scroll down. I want to show you something now for you to see that this Facebook Marketplace is the right place for you to promote your item. Even as at when I'm recording this video, you can start taking step now. Don't wait for anybody to help you repost your link on WhatsApp. Those things are just old method of marketing your item. Yes, you can trust me. Now, see this, see, let me just, can I even count all these messages now? Now, let me just scroll for you to see what I'm saying. You can see that these are different items that the different people that have messaged me. You can see them here. So what I'm trying to tell you here is the fact that you can use the exact same method to sell your item. Please, it is not easy for someone to take his time, take his resources, take his money to start importation business, and now you have the item in your house looking at you without doing anything. It is not easy. All right. So now let's quickly take a look at how we are going to be doing this listing on Facebook Marketplace. So let me just return back here. Okay. The proper setup of this account. All right. If you don't find your Facebook Marketplace around this arrange settings here, you come to this menu icon here, you look around this corner, you will find it somewhere around this corner here. You can see that this is marketplace, right? So now if you still don't find it here, this is what you will do. You will go to your, I think I'm going to be linking the video under the description button of this video on how you can create a professional Facebook page. Okay, so you are going to create a Facebook business page. Once you create it, automatically Facebook is going to be adding Facebook Marketplace to your store settings. Okay, so you are going to be seeing Facebook Marketplace there. All right, so now let's get properly into how to set up an advert in this Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so you are going to click on the Facebook Marketplace here. Okay, you are going to click on your profile. This is where you can click on this profile here, and as well you can click on sell. This is the two available options you can do. Okay, so now I'm going to be clicking on this sell here. So this will takes you directly to your setup where you have your proper dashboard. Okay, so this is what your dashboard should look like in the last 7 days. Okay, now as at for me, you can see that this is the overview of the activities of this Facebook Marketplace. I don't have any listing active. You can see that only this 4 is active, and this 4, I don't think I have updated it. Okay, it has expired. Now let me click on this, the last 7 days. Let me click on it for you to see what I'm saying. Now you can see that these are 11 clicked in the last 7 days. These are 11 days. These are they clicked, the people that has clicked on my active listing on Facebook place, on Facebook Marketplace. Now let me click on this drop down arrow and select the last 30 days. You can see that over 134 people have checked out my item. So there is no how you want to do this thing that you will not see buyer. It is not possible. Do you get it? So that one haven't been said. Let's go back. Now you click on this create listing here. This is where you want to create what you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I'll click on this guy now. So let me click on it. So I click on it. Clicking on it will open this tab. So you will click on the best category that suits what you want to sell. Maybe it's property or rent or vehicle. So I'll click on items. Okay, so clicking on items will takes me to the next surface where I'm going to be adding the description of what I have for sale. Okay, so let me just add one picture here. I'm going to can add as much as possible picture of what you want to sell. Okay, so now I'm going to click on done. This is just for a tutorial, so let me just stick around with this bicycle. So you are going to be naming the bicycle here, the price and the category. So let me just say bicycle. Let me say new bicycle for sale, right? Let me say new bicycle for sale. Let me just say new bicycle. Then the price range, let me say this price range is let me sell this bicycle for 40,000 naira, right? And you can see that automatically it has selected the category. Okay, so if your categories falls under the clothing section, you want to select the best category of your what you are selling, your listing. Okay, so let me just stick around with bicycle here. Okay, the next thing is what is the category of what you are selling. Like I've said before, now you have the access, you have the opportunity to sell your used item. Okay, so if it is new, you select new. Okay, and you are going to write the description of what you want to sell. It is new, or it is including the size, the color, and the specific. Okay, so you can see that I've already just write just simple write up. There is a new bicycle that has extra tire. If there is any additional things you want to add, you are going to be adding it there. So scrolling down, if you have any variant item, you can also add it, but you can see that it's optional. Then this bicycle type too is optional, so you just don't want to stick around with all these ones. Anyway, you have optional. If you choose, you can add it, then if you don't choose. So here under this location, you want to select your location. Then tags, make sure you select the tags that bet that are sweet what you're selling. Okay, so if I'm to enter my tag now, it will be under bicycle. All right, then this optional, you can leave it like that. Then offer delivery, maybe if you want to deliver it to the buyer doorstep, you want to just check in this box. Okay, so now the next thing is public meetup. If you want to make the person, or if you want to deliver it, or door pickup, whichever one you want to go for, you just check in the box. But I don't like checking out this box, right? So now if you want to hide this thing from your friends, it is under your privacy, so you just toggle it on, so your friends will not see that you are the one selling this item. So once you are done with all these settings, now you click on next. All right, so next we click on this page, we take you to this page, and you are going to be publishing it. So this does not even take up to, you can see that it is publishing now. So I think this does not even takes to up to 5 minutes of setting everything up, and um you can see that this bicycle is active now. So anybody can see it in Facebook Marketplace. You can see it now, it's under review and it's active. So you can get your buyer from all these places, like I've said before. Now you can get your buyer. Now see this plus 11 chats that I haven't even responded to, people that need what I have for sale. It is funny enough that people are even chasing me with money and I'm not even responding. You can see that these are people that have messaged me regarding what I have for sale. Can you see it? So no matter how, people will definitely come for what you sell. Do you get it? Now this is the HP I showed you earlier on. You can see that, is this available? They are coming for this item. So this is a very straightforward process you want to use to market your item, to sell your item on Facebook Marketplace. All right. So I'm going to be linking under the description button of this video on how you can sell and promote your item for free on gg.ng. Okay, it's still the same process with this. You can also promote your items there. All right. So if you have already gained value from this video and from this tutorial, please like the video, share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will definitely see you in my next video.